Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Today we're doing some really cool screen innovation shades. We've shown you guys some shades in previous videos, but this particular one, we're doing dual shades with one being blackout, one being light filtering. We have three going across right here. There were some existing shades here, and we're putting dual shades, so it'll give someone an opportunity to have kind of the best of both worlds from light filtering or total blackout. And then we also got some shades going in the master bath. So as we get started here, we're gonna give Ronnie one of the left shades. And these are super easy. See where they latch to the top. And they just snap in. Yep, and lock in and replace. Yep, there you go. But you see, quick, because Screen Innovations has a great mounting brackets for these things. Super nice and easy, nice and snug. Okay, so now we got the middle one. All right, right here. There you go. Look at that, guys. All right, I got 2 out of 3.
Well, yeah, I think I already put the brackets up.
That's true. Yeah, do have to put the brackets up, but again, the backs of these, nice and slick. Got a groove at the top, so it makes it easy for latching. Very nice. And boom, there's those 3. We got one more in the bathroom, so we're gonna get that one done, and we'll be right back. We'll get these tested. We'll set all the lower limits, and be back here in a second, show you guys that. All right guys, we're back and we got all the shades installed. So as you can see here, all 3 are down in the blackout position. So when you want almost very little light coming through, here's a great solution. So with a simple remote, we have a 4-channel remote. We control the blackout shades and the sunscreen shades totally separate. So blackout shades, all going up. Maybe you want just a little bit of, privacy, but lots of light coming in. We're gonna change this to channel 2, which we program for sunscreen. And you see now we have the blackouts going up, sunscreen's coming down. Lots more light coming through, but just some privacy still. What a great look. And there we go. Almost all the way down. Beautiful. What's up guys? Now what did you think about the Screen Innovation shades in the master bedroom? Man, I tell you what, I really did enjoy those. Nice, slick, clean and fit and finish. The nice, casings going between the windows looked really nice. Again, those windows had 2 shades, so they got kind of the best of both worlds. Again, your options are for screen material, you got blackout, light filtering, and sunscreen. Now, that particular house, they did blackout and they did sunscreen. So the darker shade that came down was the sunscreen shade. So very cool. So like for this particular shade, we have a light filtering, and then we also have blackout. So we went with blackout down, sunscreen's going up, and now we don't want any light in the room and complete darkness. There you go. If you were to do a single shade, you would have only one option, whatever option of fabric you went with. So what a great way to kind of, get the best of both worlds in a certain room or part of the house. So let's say, hey, it's too dark in here. Let's get some light, but I want some light, but I want some privacy. Let's have these blackouts go back up. And then let's bring other shade down. So just like that. And again, we can program these on a third-party control system. But right now we just have these set up standalone. So you can do standalone too, guys. We have remotes that you can put on a wall, put wherever. Single button remotes if it's a single shade. Because this is a dual roller shade, we just wanted one remote, so it's a 4-channel. meaning there's 4 different, you see that, 4 lights there, so we can actually program both shades with this rolling remote. So super cool. And we love the Screen Innovation shades. They're so cool, so you know, custom fit, and then the way that you can charge their shades is incredible, and I think it's a game changer. So again, if you're not familiar with Screen Innovation shades, one thing that they're known for, one thing that they're very different with, is how they can be charged. Typically, your shades on the market are just your AA, your D-size battery shades. You got to open the casing. If you got windows that are way up there, super tough. You know, you always got to think of how you're going to get up there. Again, replace those shades a year, 2 years down the road, and change them out. Well, with their shades, super easy, guys. So it comes with this little dongle cable that has a 110 outlet, just a regular plug-in at the other end. And because it's magnetized, all you guys have to do is get it close, snaps right in. So a shade that's way up there, there's a little attachment you can put on a little extension pole, get it close, snaps in. Leave it there, plug it in, charge it. You know, 6 hours later, it gives you a full charge. Another 1.5 years, 2 years down the road, don't have to worry about charging them again, and then just repeat the process. So super cool. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. You know, it really helps us out. Like the video, comment down below. We'll answer all the questions and comments you guys have, especially with Screen Innovation shades and anything that we do. We have tons of videos we got coming out, a lot of really cool projects, and we just wanted to show you a little bit about Screen Innovations because their shades are a little bit unique to some of the other screens out there on the market. You know, leave your comments, suggestions down below. We're always trying to improve, make more videos for you guys. And we know it's hard for everybody to see all the cool, latest and greatest, you know, just coming to our showroom. So by us doing these videos, hopefully it gives us a chance to show you guys all the things that we can do, and all the cool things out there. And till next time, thank you guys. See ya.